Let's talk about manipulators, tricks and tactics they always do to get away with bad behaviors in every relationships. One of the tricks most manipulators do to get away with bad behaviors in relationships, they make you apologize for the bad behaviors they do. At first, they are going to hurt you so badly in different ways. They can start cheating on you with different partners, maybe lie to you, maybe say something that they know it will hurt you for days. And then finally, when you react to their bad behaviors, they are going to act more hurt more than you. And then they get so quiet and blame you for your own reaction. They say things like, "You really disrespect me. You speak to me badly all the time." They will say anything to see to how to shut you down. And then they seem more disappointed than you for how you reacted to them than your behavior. This behavior is mainly meant to divert you from looking at their bad behaviors or their problems. And then they focus it, like they direct it on you, trying to blame you for the problems they have caused. That is the funniest part about the manipulators. So they do this obviously, knowingly. Then they are going to suddenly make you seem like your reactions are the ones that are damaging the relationship. Because if they make you apologize already for what they have done, that already shows that you are the problem in the relationship. So instead of you thinking about their actions, what they did, you start fixing yourself. Maybe you start thinking you reacted so much, or how you spoke to them hurt them so much, and then you forget all their actions or forget to hold them accountability. And that is the goal they want. Their goal is to make sure they get away with every bad behavior, every bad action, and then you instead focus on how you reacted. And instead of them fixing their bad behavior, you are busy fixing how you react to them. And this enables them to avoid accountability and keep doing bad things that destroy relationships and getting away with it every single time. Sometimes they even make you apologize for or explain yourself, explaining your boundaries. You start saying things like, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you. I just wanted us to be okay." That is a perfect goal for manipulator, because he would have achieved his goal that he has gotten away with accountability, and then you are the one taking the problem. So this makes them to normalize hurting you every time. In most times, you realize the manipulator, if he's a cheater, they will keep cheating, and then you end up fearing to ask why they are cheating on you, or you start avoiding, you keep reducing your boundaries over and over, and you find yourself disappearing or just following or allowing him to do everything he desires to do. The disrespect increases because you cannot tell him to stop. When you try to speak up, he will react in a way, he will turn everything against you.